Good afternoon, everyone. Dzień dobry Państwu.
Dzień dobry Państwu. Hello, Warszawa.
It's a really big privilege to stay here on this stage in such a beautiful places, the Grand Theatre in Warsaw, actually in the heart of the city. It's a big honor to be part of this event. My name is Beata Podleśna-Gumkowska, joining me Łukasz Dziekan, and together we are responsible for the new services at InPost, and together we're creating a new shopping experience for our users, meaning AI assistant in our InPost app. Before we start, I'd like to say also a big thank you to the founders of ElevenLabs. Thank you guys for the invitation and organizing this event and this summit in Poland, actually. When I'm thinking about the AI, technology, and also the business, they have a huge impact on the way how we work and how we grow. Bringing them together, it's exactly what we would like to talk today. Before we starting, show the AI assistant and shopping path, I try to answer for the main question which I've asked many times. First, why InPost truly believe that AI era is here, and why we're deciding offering one more time the new experience and new solutions for our customers. And historically, Poles were very open for the new innovation and solution. As the first country, we were ready to adapt contactless payments on the national scale. We adapted also the parcel locker as a new delivery method, and now we are adapting AI. Basically, when we look on our track record, InPost has proven track record starting from Paczkomat parcel machine. Then we launched, of course, the application, very useful for many millions of the Poles, including seamless and ultra-fast checkout through InPost Pay. Many of you probably remember the first parcel machine in 2009, and during last over 25 years of our story of the company, we didn't not launch only the services or let's say the product. We starting to change the habit of our customers. And based on our experience and this knowledge, we are able to offer more and adapting AI in the innovative shopping path and offering end-to-end experience, starting from searching and of course finalizing for the pick up the parcel. And this experience you can find in our app. And that's the moment when Łukasz will show you how it works and also tell something more, what type of technology is behind it and its feature.
Thanks, Beata. My mom called me today and wished me all the best for the kids' day. And I said I'm on a national theater on the main stage and say, what did you do wrong? I'm going to say, like, completely computer scientist, now go here. So, this is our new homepage app. We noticed the Von Halski, the cute yellow dog at the bottom, which is our new brand hero, the smart dog that will guide you through the new process. Obviously, the left side of the app is logistics, the core business. When you pick up stuff, you can send stuff, right? And the right side is all about e-commerce, all about the new things we're building with Beata and our teams. It will be about deals. It will be about your own things in the My InPost page. What did you order before? What did you want to return? Or basically, how are you paying, right? So now, as you can see, we entered the new assistant, and we are speaking to it. Voice is the important part of our journey. We see that people actually find it more convenient to speak, that type, at quite a few occasions. Right now, we're finding Andrzej Zragan's new book. Obviously, kind of, it's not live, but this is a real footage from the app. It found the Quo Vadis, which is the newest book, as we asked it for, and it would do the same thing if we would like to find the newest book by the Nobel Prize winner or something close to my heart, which is the last Locust Award winner or Nebula Prize winner. Now we're going into electronics. Harder decisions, bigger tickets usually than a book, right? And iPhone 17 has quite a few models. Right now, we'll see the assistant should help you compare things. So basically, now we are checking the checkboxes, and let's see how the differences are there. And we asked, we could also speak to it. Hey, help me compare iPhone 156 gigabytes and 512. It does it. It shows in a nice, clean format, and also summarizes at the end that, for example, they differ in memory size or disk size, but sometimes also battery size. Yes, it will also try to upsell you things, or you can ask him in your natural voice, please add it to the basket, and it will happily do it for you. Last but not least, let's talk about a little bit about personalization. Right now we ask him, hey, I want to buy perfumes, the last ones I bought with you. And Von Halski knows a few tricks. It remembers you, it learns your quirks. For example, he knows that you like Paco Rabanne, 1 million, our CEO's, one of the best fragrances. You go, it shows you, hey, maybe add this, and voila, we're in checkout. We automatically know which is your favorite APM, your payment methods is done, clicks, and done. We're right now working to even have issue a voice command, hey, can you check it out for me? And it will be all inside. It will also know your favorites. It will inform you about things that you saved for the past. And it will try to help you with upselling certain things. Like, hey, you're buying a new iPhone. Maybe you need an etui or like a cover for it, or maybe a glass. So yes, Beata, so are the users liking it, or what's up?
So I would like to say only to clarify that it's not a mock-up or video. Von Halski AI Assistant has been already operational from 2 months, and during this period, we have received a lot of feedback from our users and heavy testers. So first of all, in terms of the fact that we are on the ElevenLabs Summit, I would like to mention the main game changer, of course, is voice. Voice-to-text features is a game changer. Poles loves to talking with Von Halski, and they love the situation where they do not have to typing anymore. So they can ask Von Halski about the favorite products, offers, inspiration, or even advice, and get in a really convenient way the answers for all of this. I think so that we noted during this period, during this testing phase, that also our customers are very open and they are able to change this voice for another character. For example, I'm not sure that another character, best singer or actress, but this is the place where definitely ElevenLabs comes to play.
Yep.
What else? What we learned during the last 2 months, Łukasz?
As Reid Hoffman famously apparently said, if you're launching without being a little bit ashamed of what you're launching too late. So we launched at the right time. There were quite a few we are actually surprised that it was better than we expected. And really, people tell us we love the smoothness. We like to talk, and in one click, I select the thing I want to purchase. I can talk to him in a car or sometimes while walking, right? People have the headphones right now with microphones, so it's helping them. They do mention that the smoothness of the path finishing with one-click checkout of InPost Pay is great, but what they really tell us is, hey, we want to listen to the dog, not only speak to him. So we are now working with ElevenLabs how to make it happen so that the voice is also there to listen and to read at times. So this is something that is really, really important. Voice is at the core of our product. And yeah, Beata, are there any next steps we are going to do?
It's quite natural questions. What's the next step? So let's look on the timeline. Of course, testing phase behind us, and now we are ready for scale and offering this solution for our over 17 million of users in our Polish app. So I would like to also mention that it's not only services dedicated for the customers. We're creating this solution with our partners, top-of-mind brands, and we start collaboration with retailers. And from this stage, I would like to invite you also to join to this journey with Von Halski and creating the e-commerce future together. So now we are ready for scale, and I think so, we have to a little bit finish our presentation. And one thing which I would like to share with you is that 1 year ago, we started from scratch. Now we have really operational, full existing end-to-end shopping experience in our application. We can scale this AI assistant experience for whole Poles. And we build this here in Poland with amazing people. And I would like to thank you for our amazing team and InPost, because we did it in a really short time. Thank you so much. And one thing in my mind is what connects the companies like, of course, InPost, ElevenLabs, Bielik, because I saw Sebastian somewhere. And it's one thing. Innovation is driven DNA. And I really believe and truly believe that together, by collaborating with others' company, boosting the talents, sharing the knowledge, we are able to make Poland as a hub of AI innovation and make customers' life easier, better, and more fun, because having fun is important too. Łukasz, the last sentence from your side?
Yes, so I think we can be proud to say that we are not catching up. We are real players shaping the game, and we are not stepping back. We are only just starting, and it will be a great fun. Thank you.
Thank you so much.